welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how to make some really cool, cute and unique bookmarks which are very easy and very quick to make. You can make them when you are getting bored at home during this lockdown period. So maybe something like this, if you can see this, or something like this. So are you ready? Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Oh yeah, don't forget to like this video if you like these ideas. Comment on this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. That's it, let's get going. For the braided bookmark, we will take two different colors of ribbons. You can take two different colored paper strips too. First, we will glue down two strips of same color in a 90-degree angle and hold them down firmly with some containers. Now, take the other color of ribbon and fix it adjacent to the previous strips like this in a checkerboard style. Now, start braiding the ribbons in a crisscross pattern as I am doing in this video. Keep on making braids until you reach a certain length. Remember, if you do this with a ribbon like me, make sure to slightly burn off the starting edges so that the threads won't come out. After a sufficient length, we will staple in the center and cut out the excess. You may even glue part of the excess strips to the back. Finally, we will take this cute little shell and attach it above the stapler pin. This adds some glamour to the bookmark and also hides the pin perfect. So finally it's done and ready for use. For this, we will take a ribbon or lace and put it at the extreme end of a notebook. Bring the ends over the front cover for proper measurement. Next, take a hair tie and glue it like this. Over the other end, we will attach a button at a sufficient length. Cut out the remaining length of ribbon. Finally, fix them all in proper place with hot glue. Now put the hair tie around the button as a loop and our flexible bookmark is ready. So as the name suggests, we need a pom-pom for this. Glue it to the top of a paper clip with the paper clip inside out. Let this dry in upside down way. Then mark your pages with this cutie. This is the quickest and easiest one to make. Take a popsicle and paint it completely blue. Now, take a yellow foam sheet and cut out a circle from it. Shape the edges with a scissor. Next, we will draw a cute sun over this. You can use a paper instead of a foam sheet too, but a foam sheet just makes it more firm. Also, you can draw anything you want to according to your own wish. Let's add a cute little smile to this sun and add some blush to it. Next, glue the foam sheet to the top of the popsicle. Finally, add some details to the popsicle. I am drawing white clouds, assuming this is a blue sky holding the sun. You can draw things on this popsicle according to what you made in the foam sheet. Lastly, write your name at the bottom part and add a cute little heart. And our popsicle bookmark is ready to use. For this, we will randomly add colors with sketch pens on any thick surface. I have taken a metal lead, but plastic ones work best. Over this, we will spread a layer of glue Be ready to be scolded by your mom for wasting this much glue, but the end result is totally worth it. Now just mix the glue and the colors a bit like this with a small stick and let it dry overnight. This is how it looks after partial drying. Add double layers for the best effect. After it's completely dry, scrape off the glue from the lid like this. Be patient while you do this and be sure that the entire thing is completely dry or parts will chip off. Finally, cut this out into shapes as you want and our jelly bookmark is ready to play with and mark our books with. So, this is one of the very famous lines from our very own Bengali fairy tale book Thakumar Jhuli, and you must be wondering what I am doing with this. So this monster bookmark is the last bookmark for today's video. I have already shared how to make these sort of bookmarks in a previous video of mine on this channel named DIY Kawaii Bookmarks. I'll share the link here and in the description box and also in the end. So go and check that video out. Another video I have about bookmarks, that is DIY Pooh bookmark. Also check that video out. I'll share the link in the description box below and in the end. So check those videos out. Check all my videos out actually. And let me know if you want more of paper bookmarks, like paper origami bookmarks or those stuff. Just comment in the comment section paper bookmarks or paper and I'll get you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this. If you like the ideas, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Share this video with your near ones, your dear ones, your family, your friends, your enemy, with everyone you know. Hit that red subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. Also, if you recreate any of these works, any of these bookmarks, don't forget to tag me on my Insta page. I have shared the link in the description box below and it's also linked in my cover. So yeah, please do tag me. I would love to see your works. Also, one more announcement is that I have another YouTube channel where I share some of my other hobby related videos. So if you want to get a little bit more entertained by me, do check that channel out. I have shared the link in the description box below. It's linked to my this YouTube account. So yeah, check that out. That's it. Hope to see you guys soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay crafty. Lots of love.